Why didn't I think of this before? Easy, fast, and inexpensive recipe. Come with me to learn how to make this tasty treat. To start off, add oil to a saucepan. Then, add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Add half of a chopped onion too. Everyone is going to want to try this recipe because it's super easy. Once the onion and garlic has cooked, add half of a pound of shredded chicken. Let that cook for 3 minutes and let's season it. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder, half of a teaspoon of saffron, black pepper to taste, and let that cook for a little bit more. Now add half of a cup of sliced olives and half of a chopped tomato. Let that cook for a few minutes and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure you interact with our page by liking, commenting, and sharing our recipes. That way, you will receive our recipes firsthand. And now add chopped chives to taste. Don't forget that this is an optional filling. Set that aside. You will need around 12 slices of bread. With a cup, cut out a circle. Now place that in a cupcake mold. Use a cup to press it down. This turns out super delicious. Once you put all of the bread in the mold, add a pinch of cheese to the bottom. Now you can add a spoonful of the filling and press it down. What other filling would you use? Add a pinch of mozzarella cheese over top and a slice of sausage. Now bake that at 390 degrees for 15 minutes. It's super fast. And check that out. This is such a great treat. Tell me how you would rate this recipe. And also tell me which city you are watching from so that I can send you a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out is to Claudia Mendez from Austin, Texas. Thank you so much, Claudia, for the support. And that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye, you guys!